see my screen now?
Not yet.
Let me try again.
Once you click on the below button to share the screen, you have three options. Click on the share the
Yes.
full screen.
Yeah, I got it. I click on the full
Then
screen.
you will see the screen and click
Yes.
on the screen again.
Okay, I got it. Yes. So can you see my screen now?
Nope. Oh, now it's sharing.
So can you see my screen right now?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to start with the easy quiz, the software, and also the hardware is that we have a base station. Can you see my camera?
Okay. One second, Vincent. Gladys, ¿quieres ir haciendo de inmediato las cosas o quieres ver cómo se van haciendo y después las hacen ustedes?
Prefiero verlo primero para poder estar concentrada en eso.
Perfecto. Y después con la grabación puedes ir replicando. ¿Te
Sí.
parece? Ok. Entonces está explicando Vincent que la primero es ese dispositivo que tiene en la mano que se llama Base Station o es una antena, que en el fondo que es una antena USB. Ok, Vincent.
Okay, so you're gonna translate one after my words.
Yes.
Okay, so you can stop me when you want to translate because
Okay.
I don't know when I need to stop.
Okay, don't worry.
Okay, so first is that the hardware. The hardware is the base station and the clicker. We also call it a keypad. And we need to connect the base station to the PC USB ports.
Ok, entonces se conecta primero ese dispositivo que es la antena al puerto USB del computador.
And then we need to press any button on the clicker to power on the clicker.
Luego
As you
se
can see,
aprieta cualquier botón de la teclera.
as you can see, there is a display and there is a signal bar on the clicker.
Y van a aparecer entonces esos números en la teclera.
The signal bar means the keypad is connected with the base station. It's just like a mobile phone.
Ok, y esa es la indicación de que la teclera ya se conectó con la antena que estaba conectada.
So this is the connection of the hardwares. And then for the software, we have the Easy Quiz free installation software.
Entonces esa es la primera, la conexión del hardware, que son esos dos pasos. Luego viene la instalación del software y el primero es el EZ-Quiz, que es gratuito, que ustedes ya lo debieran tener.
So you can see my screen with the software, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we go to the file folder and double click on this application, Easy Quiz Lite application. And
Entonces
it
van a
will,
esa carpeta y hacen clic en EZ-Quiz Lite Application.
and then it will start for the first time. And the language right now is only English and Chinese, so I set it as English. Then I click OK to go to the next step. Here we have three scenarios. The first one is that you use the keypads only in one class, only in one classroom.
Tienes tres escenarios ahora. El primero es usar la teclera solo en una sala.
Yeah, only one classroom with only one computer in that classroom. And the second scenario is that you use it in a public classroom computer. So there will be different classes, different students.
Okay, la otra es una sala donde van a pasar distintos estudiantes y distintos. This is the different computers and different students, right?
It's the same computer but with different students.
Ok, es una sala donde hay un único computador, pero van pasando distintos estudiantes.
And the third scenario is that you use it in your personal computer or you put it in the U disk. Then if you put it in the U disk, you can use it, you can connect the U disk to the computer in any classroom.
Ok, la otra opción es instalarlo directamente a un computador o a un pendrive y entonces ahí tú vas con tu pendrive y te conectas al computador que elijas.
So right now I'm going to take the public classroom computer as an example. I click it. Here we can select primary school, high school, or university. So what's your learning section?
Entonces aquí eliges si es educación básica, media o universitario. ¿Ustedes, Gladys, son de educación básica o media?
Básica.
De primary, Vincent.
Primary, okay. So I select primary. So and then we need to import the class list, the student list. There is a template here. I'm going to open it with Excel.
Ok, entonces ahora hay que importar la lista de alumnos y para eso viene un template, ¿cómo se traduce template? Un archivo,
Plantilla.
una plantilla, gracias, una plantilla que hay que llenar.
And then we need to edit the student list. Here is the class name, and this is the student's name, and the gender, and the student ID, and then the keypad ID. The keypad ID is the ID display on the screen of the keypad. Can you see it?
Ok, entonces hay que llenar el nombre de la clase, el nombre del alumno, sexo, el student ID y el número del keypad. Y el número del keypad es el que te muestra ahí cuando la primera vez que cuando los conectamos.
¿Son todos obligatorios los colores?
Vincent, all these fields are
Necessary?
mhm.
Only the red with the red star here. These are necessary.
Mm.
And for this one, we have. I'm going to say that we have two ways of binding the keypads with the students. This is one way that you put the keypad ID in the templates, meaning that this Alice student use the ID1 keypad and the Andy use the ID2 keypad, which means that you need to give this specific keypad to this specific students and not mix them. This is one way of binding the keypad.
Ok.
And there is another way. I will explain it later.
Ok, la primera opción de relacionar las tecleras, Gladys, es el último campo, el que dice keypad SNID, es optativo porque hay dos maneras de relacionar las tecleras con el alumno. Esta es una de ellas, luego voy a explicar la segunda. En esta opción, la primera teclera, que termina en 001, quedó asociada a Alice y la 002 a Andy. Significa que cuando vayan a usar en las tecleras, hay que asegurarse de que Alice tenga la 001 y Andy tenga la 002. Entonces, ese número de serie de teclera queda asociada a un estudiante, siempre. Esa es una manera. Y Vincent, al tiro Gladys, the student ID is a free number that school choose?
Yes, you can set it any number, but it should be unique.
Okay, can they use
any unique number?
Okay, can they use 13 numbers? our ID, personal ID here is 13 numbers.
13 numbers. Okay, let me try it.
Or could be 12.
Sí, podemos obviar el guión.
Sí, el dígito verificador sin 12 numbers will be ideal.
Okay, so right now it's 12 numbers. I'm gonna make it.
Estoy preguntando, Gladys, vi que levantaste la mano, pero estoy preguntando si es que en ese campo, que es la identificación del alumno, se puede usar el root, que serían 12 caracteres, sin el sin el dígito verificador. Porque imagino que va a ser más cómodo usar el root de los alumnos. Cuéntame, Gladys, ¿cuál es la duda mientras tanto?
Lo que pasa es que, por ejemplo, nosotros los vamos a utilizar en distintos cursos, entonces, ¿es necesario colocar el nombre o solo podemos asociar? Porque yo he trabajado con esto, pero hace muchos años, entonces no sé si el equipo ha tenido mejoras o alguna otra limitación. Entonces, solamente asociamos el número de lista del niño con el número de teclera.
Ok, ya voy a preguntar.
Okay, so here the ID is 12 numbers.
Okay.
And here, actually, the keypad ID we can also we can delete the zeros, make it only the numbers here. And I'm gonna save it. And then I can choose this template to open it in the software. And right now it's successful. And here we can view the student ID and the keypad ID.
Okay.
And we also have another way to bind the keypad. It's that you let me try another list. So we can add several classes into the software. I'm gonna make another class and I'm gonna just make some random students. Make it Alice 1, Alice 2, and Alice 3. And here I can leave it empty just to show you another way to bind the keypads with the students. And I'm gonna save it. Then I'm gonna import this template. Then when you click for this class, you click bind keypad, you can see that the students didn't have the keypads, which means that you can give the students the keypads by random. You can give any keypads to them, and you start this bind keypads to ask the students to input their student ID on the clicker. For this one, I input this student ID 1001 and press OK. Then this keypad is bind with Alice. So maybe you need to explain to them.
Can you explain again where is the 1001?
1001 is the student ID.
Okay, the student's ID.
Yeah, it's like this. In this way, this is the second way of binding the keypad. You in the student list, you leave it empty of the keypad ID, and then you can give any keypad to the students. Then you start the keypad binding, and the students press their own student ID on the keypad. Then
Okay.
it will bind that keypad with these students.
Okay, this school will use the keypads with several students, and they will choose it randomly, but they will use as a student ID the number of the student on the list of the class. So if Alice is in the number 3, so
Yes.
the student ID will be 3. So how the school should proceed? On the name of student, the number of the list is on the name also, or is in the student ID?
Okay, I'm gonna make another name list just to make it more clear.
Okay.
I'm gonna delete this one. The password is 123456. I'm gonna add the class list and make a different list, because this Alice 1 and 2 is maybe not so clear.
Ok. Gladys, aquí vamos a hacer un ejemplo de lo que me estás preguntando. Okay. But they in this case, Vincent, they
Yes.
don't have the names of the students. They will use the number of the student in the class list.
So they don't have the name of the students?
They have the name, but they don't want to load every time the name of the student. They will manage by the name, the number of the class list.
Yes, actually, it's the first time. It's only for the first time you need to import the class list. For the second time, you can just choose it in the software. You just need to choose, like you have two classes. Then for the first time you need to import class A and class B, and for the second time you only need to choose, and you don't need to import the names.
Ok. Gladys, entonces por primera vez se cargan todas las clases con los nombres. El nombre va entonces ahí y en el Student ID puedes poner el número de la lista. ¿Ya? Por primera vez. Luego, ahora nos va a mostrar luego cómo vas a hacer el match entre ese alumno y la teclera.
So I make this name list, and I leave this keep ID empty, just to show you another way to bind the keypad with the students. In this way, you can give the students any keypad, and then you ask them to bind the keypad. Here, like Vincent, he got any keypad, but he need to press his ID here 1001 and press OK on the clicker to bind the keypad.
Ok, entonces, cuando tú ya tienes cargadas tus listas, vas a llegar a la sala, vas a elegir el curso tercero A, que ya la tienes cargado, y te va a aparecer esta pantalla que estamos viendo ahora con los nombres de los alumnos de esa sala y abajo el número del ID que entonces le vas a decir, los que tengan la teclera 1001, entonces va a hacer clic, le va a poner OK y va a saber que la teclera 1001 la tiene el alumno Vincent. Y así se quedan relacionadas. Entonces esa es la segunda manera de manera aleatoria, que cada uno saca una teclera y luego entonces ingresando ese número, el sistema reconoce quién tiene qué teclera. ¿Ya? Ok,
Yeah,
Vincent.
so this is only for the first time when you are using it. I'm gonna bind the second keypad, and then I click finish. Then you can here you can select the class right now we have class 33 and class 32. So you just select the class and you select subjects. And let's say it's a science class, then you click start.
Pablo, ¿hay una
And
pregunta?
Sí, la lista de clases, los nombres son esos nomás o podemos crear nombres.
¿De las asignaturas?
Sí.
Vincent, for the subjects, this is the list. The school can create more subjects.
yes, that's a good question. And here we click here this button, and there is a setting. Then in the application we can add subjects. Let's say we got art, and then there will be art here. And
Gladys, ahí entonces donde van creando las asignaturas para cuando ustedes van a relacionar luego el curso y la asignatura en cuál se usó la teclera.
okay, so I select the class and then the subjects and then start. Here the software is here with all the buttons, and you can play any material in your class. You can play PowerPoints or Words or even a paper. Every student with a paper with the question. So we are free with the material of the question. You can show any material. So right now, let's say you got a single choice quiz, then you click quiz and you click single choice. The software supports single choice, multiple choice, and judgment. So let's say it's a single choice quiz. You click it, and here we got the details of the students answering. Right now, I'm going to press the button on the clicker. I press A, and it will show OK, means that the answer has been sent to the base station and the software.
How do you know that the answer was sent?
The keypad will show the OK.
Oh, yeah.
Can you see it?
Ya. Entonces, cuando el alumno contesta, el visor va a decir OK, para que el alumno sepa que ya se envió su respuesta.
And on the software interface, we can see that Alice and Andy submitted, and there are other 8 students are not answered yet.
Ok, y en el software entonces tú vas a ir viendo qué alumnos ya han respondido y quiénes están pendientes por responder.
And then we can end it. And then you need to set the right answer. Then we got the answering details. You can click on the graph. You click it, then you can see who is right, and you can see other options. That you can see how many students select B and how many students select C. On the left side, you can also see the students who is right and who is wrong. And here we have a button. You click it, and there is a screenshot of your computer when you are starting the quiz.
Ok, entonces aquí mostró ya, una vez que cerraste la pregunta, la barra, el gráfico para saber en detalle el resultado global de las respuestas, y si haces clic en alguna de esas barras vas a ver qué estudiantes respondieron eso, y al mismo tiempo vas a otro botón que te muestra la pregunta como una captura de pantalla de la pregunta que se hizo.
Okay, then I'm gonna close it. Also, quiz supporting multiple choice. For multiple choice, you need to press the button on the on the keypad, and also you need to press the OK to submit your answer.
Entonces, para preguntas de selección múltiple, tienes que ir apretando el OK para enviar la respuesta.
Then you click this expand the details to see that how many students already finished and who already finished. Then I can end this quiz. Also, you need to set the right answer. Then here we are, you can see the graphs as the single choice quiz.
Luego, entonces, tú le indicas al sistema cuáles eran las respuestas correctas y volvemos también algo parecido al anterior que te muestra ahí los resultados. Sí,
I'm gonna call.
one
Yes.
second, Vincent, I have a question.
Okay.
Hola, sí,
Hola.
acá Carolina. Quería saber si esas respuestas correctas se pueden como cargar desde antes o uno lo tiene que hacer ahí siempre como en el momento de seleccionar las correctas.
Okay. Vincent,
Yeah.
you always need to choose at the moment what are the correct answers, or you can preload the system to what are the correct answers.
For this easy quiz software, we cannot preset the correct answer. We can only set it after the students answer the question.
Okay, and with the ARS PPT, you can do that?
Yes, with ARS PPT, we can preset the answer.
Ok, Carolina, con este software que estamos viendo, no se pueden precargar, sino que es para un uso como más rápido e inmediato. Con el otro software que vamos a ver después, ahí sí se pueden ya dejar precargadas cuáles son las respuestas correctas.
Ah, ok, gracias.
Ok, Vincent.
Okay, so here we can also set the options number. Like if you have 5 options, then you can add the option here for single choice or for multiple choice. And also we support judgment. Judgments means true or false, wrong or right. So it's a 2 options selection.
Ok, y la última opción, Gladys, de judgment es de verdadero o falso.
Okay, for the quiz, I'm finished and I'm going to show the test. For test, you can have several questions together for the students to answer. So we support the most is 12 questions together.
Ok, one second, Vincent.
Okay.
Gladys, la primera opción que vimos se llamaba quiz, que son para preguntas rápidas. Ahora vamos a la segunda opción, que es test, ya cuando es una prueba con varias preguntas esa prueba. Ok, Vincent.
Okay, so I'm gonna choose 3 questions. For test, we support single choice and multiple choice, and judgment is not supported.
Ok, para las pruebas puede ser selección múltiple o single choice, respuesta única.
So I'm going to show you the single choice as an example. So I select single choice. Here on the keypad, it's showing number 1, means that it's the first question, and you press the button A, B, C, D. Then you press the arrow down on the keypad. For the second, can you see it on the display on the screen?
Ok. En este caso, Gladys, entonces el alumno le va a aparecer el número 1 y va a seleccionar A, B, C o D y luego aprieta la flecha que apunta hacia abajo para pasar a la siguiente pregunta.
I'm going to finish and the rest.
Vincent, if the student is answering the question number 3 and they want to come back to number 1, can do that?
Yes, that's a good question. So right now I'm already at number 3, and I press the arrow down. It will go to the number 1. Then you can change it.
Okay.
Right now I select A and I'm going to change to B. I change to B, and then I press the arrow down.
Ok. Gladys, entonces, por ejemplo, si está en la pregunta número 4 del alumno y quiere volver a la 2 porque quiere cambiar su respuesta, también con la flecha puede retroceder a la pregunta anterior, cambiar su respuesta y continuar. ¿Ya? Entonces puede ir cambiando su respuesta hasta que hace el envío final de todo.
And right now, we can expand the details to see the percentage of the answering. Then there are other 8 students not answering, so it's 0%. And I'm going to end this test. And also we need to set the right answer. Then here again we can see the details. We can sort by low accuracy, or we can sort by question number. So I'm going to sort by low accuracy, and you click expand details, then
Okay,
you can see the graphs.
Luego los resultados los puedes ordenar por el nivel de precisión o el nivel de cuáles son las preguntas que tuvieron equivocadas, las respuestas equivocadas, o por el número de preguntas.
And also we can see the score ranking. It's based on the accuracy of the answer.
Ok, puedes ver también un ranking de los alumnos que respondieron mejor.
I'm going to close it.
Can you export that information, Vincent?
Yes, we can export all the answering details, and I will show you later in this reports.
Ok, le pregunté también si se podían exportar luego a Excel, que imagino que vas a querer hacer eso, así que dice que sí, se puede y que lo va a mostrar luego.
And for race, there are random roll call, rush to answer, and the quiz scan. For random roll call is that when you click it, it will run the student's name, and you click stop. Then these students need to answer the question.
Ok, esta tercera opción que se llama race o carrera, apretas un botón y empiezan a mostrar de manera aleatoria los nombres de los alumnos hasta que paran un nombre y ese alumno es el que tiene que responder.
And these students need to answer by oral, not by the keypad.
Ok, responde de manera oral, no con la teclera.
And also we have rush to answer. Rush to answer is that the first student press the OK button, then he is the first one. He is the student. He is the student has the right to answer that question. Other students doesn't have the right to answer. This is also answered by oral, not by keypad. So I'm going to start rush to answer. Then I will press the OK button. Then it shows Alice is the first student. Press the OK button. So this student has the right to answer this question.
Ok, entonces esta segunda opción es que el primer alumno que apriete el botón OK es el que dice que sabe la respuesta, entonces tiene la primera opción de responder de manera oral.
And for quiz scan, we can set the students to different groups. We have quick group participation, which is grouping by gender or grouping by priority of the student's ID. And we have also free group participation, which is the students select the group on the keypad. So I'm gonna choose this one, and I click on quick scan. So I will set as 2 groups. Then the students press on the keypad to select the group. For this one, I select group 1, and the other one I select group 2. Then I stop grouping and save it. Then it's a quiz like this one. Should I go on?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so I select a single choice. Then I answer this question. And I end it. I set the right answer. So it's a quiz game between two groups.
Okay.
And then we got the details here, and also we can see the ranking. That's group one with the highest accuracy got 1 point.
Ok, entonces en esta opción, Gladys, puedes también generar grupos por distintos criterios, por género o de manera aleatoria. Los alumnos se inscriben en grupo 1 o grupo 2 y van apareciendo las preguntas. Entonces, es una competencia en el fondo entre dos equipos.
And I'm gonna close it. Then finally we can see the reports. We can go click this one, and there's reports.
Vamos a los reportes ahora.
And you click it to open it. There's a class performance, class enthusiasm, and the class detail. The class detail is the answering details of each question. The red one means the answer is wrong.
Ok, en Class Detail es donde ves las respuestas de la clase y en rojo son las que se ha respondido de manera incorrecta.
The class enthusiasm is that enthusiasm in answer each question and the enthusiasm in the rush answer. And class performance is a graph of each question.
Ok,
The details.
Ok, aquí en el Class Performance o el desempeño de la clase, vas a ver un gráfico también de los resultados de cada pregunta de la clase.
And then we can export the reports.
Y abajo a mano izquierda dice Export Report.
Then it will open it by Excel. And we have the details here. And you can save it. After the class, you double click on this subject, or you click here, exit, to quit the class. And it will create shortcuts on your desktop. So next time you just need to click it to open the software.
Okay.
And then you need to select the class and the subjects. You don't need to set the name list again.
Ok. Ahora ya que por la segunda vez que vayan a ingresar, ya una vez que esté todo cargado a los alumnos, te va a generar un icono en el escritorio, hacer clic ahí y ya vas a entrar de manera más directa.
Okay, so that's all for the easy quiz. Do you have any questions?
Esto sería con el software Quiz. ¿Quedó alguna duda? ¿No? Ok. No, Vincent, everything is clear.
Okay, so I'm going to the second part, which is ARS PPT.
Ok, nos vamos al segundo software que es el ARS PPT.
Do you want me to show how to do the installation?
Yes, please. Or you just need to click on next.
Yes.
It's easy? Okay.
Yes. So
Okay.
you just need to click next. But
Okay.
there is one requirement for the Office, because the ARS PPT is running based on Microsoft Office, and the Office need the access database, which is this one, access.
Okay.
If the
Okay.
PC doesn't, if the Microsoft Office doesn't have access, then you cannot use this software.
Okay, this is important to mention. Este software trabaja con Microsoft Office. Si bien lo van a usar bastante con PowerPoint, pero es importante que tengan instalado Access, que es uno de los programas que trae Microsoft Office, ¿ya? Que es una base de datos. And can they run with Microsoft 365?
Yes, it's
Okay.
if it's there is access, then it's okay. You can search for access like I'm right now I'm doing. You can search for access, then it will show the application. If it's not showing the application, it means that your office is not with access.
Ok, ok. Entonces, para verificar, abajo en la barra izquierda donde dice buscar, uno escribe Access y debiera aparecerles ahí, y si no, hay que instalarlo. El Office 365 que la mayoría estamos usando hoy día viene con todo eso ya incluido.
Okay, so for the installation, it's very simple. You just click next step, then it will finish. Then it will create two icons on the desktop. So this one is the one for the PowerPoint add-on, and the other one toolkits is for testing. It's for some setting of the base station and the keypad. So
Okay.
right now I click on it, and it's open the PowerPoint.
Ok, entonces te genera dos iconos. Uno es el que está relacionado para entrelazarse con PowerPoint y el otro es para la parte de conexión del hardware.
Okay, so after you open it, you can see the SunVote add-on on the right side.
Vincent, if you open Office or PowerPoint, then from the PowerPoint icon, you will also see the SunVote submenu?
Yes, when only when when during your installation there is two selection. One is that you open the software by clicking the SunVote icon, and then the other one is that it will open the software automatically when you open any PowerPoints. So you can select the second one, which is it will open the software when you open any PowerPoint.
Ok, ok. Entonces, al instalarlo, Gladys, se va a generar un menú dentro de PowerPoint que se va a llamar SunVote. Puedes abrir directamente PowerPoint. Al momento de instalar, si le dices que quieres hacerlo de manera automática, cuando tú abras PowerPoint te va a aparecer el menú de SunVote ya integrado.
And this one in the system setting we support Spanish.
Ok, y este soporta español.
But right now I'm going to set it as English because
Yes.
I don't understand Spanish. And then also you need to connect the base station with the software.
Aquí también hay que conectar entonces la antena con el software.
And then you need to import the participants, which is the students list.
También tenemos que importar la lista de alumnos.
Here is a template, and here is the keeper ID, and here is the student's name. And you need to, if you put Mike as keeper ID 1, then you need to give that keypad to Mike. It's a binding.
Okay.
And then John used the keeper ID 2, and Smith used keeper ID 3.
Okay.
And you can see the keeper ID when you press this delete button, the red button, then you can see the keeper ID on the keypad.
Ok, entonces también esta primera manera de relacionarlo es una teclera por alumno. Al apretar el botón rojo de la teclera se ve el número de la teclera.
For the others, you can delete it. You can delete. Or you can add it when you want it. This two is a must. Then I'm going to save it. Then I import this list.
Vincent, maybe you will explain later, but here you can also assign the keypads randomly.
Here we cannot assign the keypads randomly because the students, if you want to see the score of each student, then you need to assign each student one keypad. Like here, Mike use keypad ID 1 and John use keypad ID 2.
Okay. Okay. Aquí en esta modalidad, Gladys, no se puede hacer la entrega aleatoria de las tecleras en la sala como se hacía con el software anterior. Aquí sí hay que indicar qué alumno tiene qué teclera.
Then I'm going to save it. For this software, we the question is a PowerPoint slide. I insert different slide. I can select single choice or multiple choice or judgment or priority or numerical. Then let's say it's a single choice question. Then I insert in single choice and I can edit. And also I can edit the option here as you want. It's a PowerPoint slide, so you can edit the question and you can edit the options. And here you set the correct answer.
Okay.
Just check it.
Aquí al lado derecho es donde marcas, le avisas ya antes cuáles son las respuestas correctas.
And here you can set the score for this question. If the student answer right, you can set it to 1 score or 2 scores.
Ok, y le das el puntaje por respuestas correctas y puntaje por respuestas incorrectas.
So after the setting, you can make a copy and you paste. You paste and then you can change it to question 2. Also, you can insert multiple choice with 4 options.
Luego puedes ir haciendo un copiar y pegar para si es que quieres mantener la misma estructura en el fondo.
Then you play this slide. And here we got the control bar here, and you click the start, or you press the S on your computer. Then it will start the question.
Entonces, cuando ya pasas al modo presentación, te va a aparecer esa barra abajo y puedes hacer clic en el botón que dice iniciar la pregunta o con la letra S del teclado también echas a andar ya el modo de donde empieza a recibir las respuestas.
And here we can see the number. That's how many students submitted the answer. I'm going to answer. There's
El número
one
de abajo
student
te
finished.
muestra el número de alumnos que va respondiendo.
Also, we can see it's changed to 2, means there are 2 students finished the answer. And I can click stop. Then we can see that how many students select option 1 and how many students select option 2.
Y te muestra el gráfico cuántos alumnos eligieron cada una de las opciones.
Then we go to the next slide. Just press the next on your computer or on your mouse. It's just like playing the PowerPoint. And then I'm gonna start again with the second question. And click stop. And here we go to the next one is the multiple choice. I'm gonna press buttons A, B, C, D on the keypad and press the OK button to submit my answer. And then when you finish, you can get the reports of results by question and results by participants. Also, there's a personal achievement and detail. Choose the results by questions.
Luego vas a ver los reportes y aquí vamos a ver un reporte de por preguntas. Carolina, dime cuál es tu pregunta.
Sí, hola, quería saber si se puede cambiar la estética de la votación, los colores, la distribución, no sé, o si es estándar.
Vincent, can you change the colors, for example, of the... Carolina, tú dices de las barras, los colores de las barras, ¿eso?
Sí, como el design of the answer. El diseño, como, no sé, los colores de las barras o la distribución.
It is possible to change the design of some questions, I don't know, the color of the bars and...
Yes, we can.
Okay.
Right now, I set it as the correct answer showing as green and the wrong answer showing as red. And you can change it.
Okay.
You want to change it now?
Can you show how to do that?
Okay, first I'm gonna need to reset the data.
Okay, so don't do that now. Let's continue with the previous one. Carolina, si se puede, lo vamos a ver en un ratito más porque si no tiene que borrar todo esto.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to continue with the report.
Yes.
And here we can see this is results by questions. It will show each question, the correct rate, and
Okay.
how many people answered. And this is for the second question. And we have results by participants, which will shows the answer details of each student.
Okay, el otro reporte que es para ver el detalle de respuestas de cada estudiante.
So this is for Mike. For Mike, the answering details and the score. I set the correct answer of the first question as 2 score, and I didn't set the score for the next two. And then he got the score 2. And for John also, the answering details. Then also we can get the personal achievements and details. It will be in Excel. Here we are. We have 2 students answer the question, and the green means the correct one, and the red one means the wrong answer.
Ok, aquí va a ver entonces las respuestas de cada alumno, en verde las que respondieron bien, en rojo los que respondieron mal.
So this is 3 reports in 3 in three how do you say directions, and we gonna try to change the color of the bar here. I need to reset the data. I will reset all the slides. So first, in system settings, I'm going to uncheck this one because I choose this one when you finish the answering, it will show the right answer as the green one and the wrong answer and the red as the red one.
Ok, ahí es donde se cambia, Carolina, los colores al menos de las barras.
And I will start again. I start the answer. Then I finish. It will it will be as you can see, there are 4 colors. So option 1 is green, option 2 is red, option 3 is yellow, and then the next one is blue. If I choose option 1 and 2, it will be green and red. If I choose option 3 and 4, it will be yellow and blue. I will choose the next two. Then it's yellow and blue for these options. And also you can change this default color. You can go to the chart setting. You can click it and you can choose the color to be different color. Then you can change the default color.
Ok, yeah.
Then here we are with different colors. So that's the setting of the color.
Ok.
So do you need to translate?
No need. No need.
Okay. Okay. So in the beginning, I set it in system setting. That's when the students got the right answer, and I check this display correct answer when the answer stops. So it will be like this. It will be. I need to set the correct answer as I set it as A and B.
Aquí
Then it
activó
will,
la opción de que una vez que él para la encuesta, muestra automáticamente cuál es la respuesta correcta.
then I stop it. It will be like this: the correct answer showing green and the wrong answer showing as red. When I stop the answer.
Ok, entonces ahí cuando lo detuvo, bueno, él lo había configurado que las respuestas correctas eran en verde y las respuestas incorrectas en rojo.
And after class, you can save this PowerPoints for the next time you check the data.
Ok, y este también lo puedes dejar grabado para no tener que volver a construirlo de nuevo la siguiente vez que lo uses.
Also, you can save this Excel reports. You can save it. So I will save it to my desktop.
Vincent, once you set the software into Spanish, you also have the reports in Spanish?
I think so. Let's try it. Let's try it.
Y le pregunté, Gladys, que si una vez que se configura en español, si es que los reportes también quedan en español.
I will try to start the answer. Then I try to get the reports. Yeah,
Yes.
it's in Spanish.
It is Spanish. Okay, thank you very much. Sí, también quedan en español entonces, Gladys, ahí después los reportes.
Okay, so there are also other options. You can try it here. And for the normal process, it's almost all of it.
How do you, I know you show at the beginning to connect the base station with the software. You show it, yeah.
Can you repeat that, please?
Sorry, now I was thinking in that I was just want to check if you have been explained how to connect the base station or not with the software.
Okay, please continue.
Because can you show the two icons of this? Okay, the left one, the toolkit.
Yeah.
When you use that,
Normally for the teachers, they don't need to use it. Here you open the software. When I disconnect, it will not showing as green. When I connect the base station, it will show the icon as green.
ok. Entonces, una vez que tú conectas la antena ahí, Gladys, ese botón se va a poner en verde. Si está en gris es porque no está reconociendo la antena o no la han conectado.
And here you need to select the keypad type as the M5, this one.
Ok, that's important. Entonces ahí se selecciona el tipo de teclera, la M5.
And the others, normally you don't need to use it. The toolkits, I think the teachers, they don't need to use it.
Yeah, okay.
Then when you finish, you just close this PowerPoint.
Ok, Gladys, una pregunta. ¿Ustedes lo van a hacer usar también para ensayos SIMSE?
La verdad es que no lo tenemos contemplado, pero puede ser. Este era el que yo había usado, sí, anteriormente. Estoy más familiarizada con la forma de usarlo.
Perfecto, ya. Sí, porque el software anterior creo que si en el futuro quieren hacer el ensayo SIMSE con los niños que tienen el ensayo en papel y que ahí vayan respondiendo la tecleta porque van a tener el resultado inmediatamente, también se puede hacer, pero es mejor el software anterior para eso. ¿Hay alguna duda más, Gladys? Ya, perfecto. Vincent, I think that we are all ready. We have the main information now.
Okay.
And this is the most easy software to use, the PPT.
Okay, great.
Do you want to show us something else, or we have been surfing on the most important issues?
Yeah, I have already shown you the most basic functions of the software, and if you for others it's almost the same. You just need to insert different slides. and then after you finish the answering, then you get the reports. And also there is a data analysis. You can try to click on it and check what you can get.
Ok, entonces ya vimos ahí cómo insertar los tipos de diapositivas, sacar los informes. Y luego, no sé, Gladys, si le mandaste algún manual también de uso. Teníamos un manual en español.
No, solo les envié el archivo que nos enviaron ayer. Quería consultarle a Carolina si tenía alguna duda, o a la señorita Jimena. Hola.
Hola. Sí, Jimena se tuvo que ir porque tenía un compromiso, pero no, yo creo que todo claro y nada, hay que empezar a investigar y usarlo nomás para que surjan otras dudas.
Ah, perfecto.
Yo después te voy a mandar, Gladys, el manual para que lo puedas compartir con Gladys.
Ah, ok.
Okay. Okay. Vincent, thank you very much. Was very helpful and clear.
Okay,
Then
you're welcome.
I will share the user's manual also with the school, so we'll also have this kind of support.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much and have a good night.
Yeah, thank you. Have a nice day.
Gracias a todos.
Muchas gracias, que estén bien. Chao.
Chao.
Ciao.
Bye.
Bye.